Hey, it's great to have you here for this episode. Today, we're diving into a simple but really powerful AI technique called role prompting.
Yeah, it's interesting because most people just ask AI questions directly, right? But hardly anyone tells AI to take on a specific role or perspective. And that little shift can totally change the quality of the answers.
Exactly. So, role prompting is basically telling AI respond as a underscore, 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 like act as a thesis supervisor or think like a healthcare policy expert. It's about framing the AI's thinking from a particular viewpoint.
Right, and that framing makes the output way more relevant and detailed. Instead of generic advice, you get something tailored to that role's expectations and mindset.
A good example is with resumes. If you just say improve my resume, you get surface level edits. But if you say act as a German hiring manager in the food industry and evaluate this resume, suddenly the AI gives you feedback on relevance, structure, and context.
That's a great point. It's not about more information, it's about positioning. The AI thinks from a specific angle, which makes all the difference.
And there's a really practical application for internship applications. You can do a three-step chain prompt. First, ask the AI, act as a hiring manager at a food tech company. What are the top 5 things you look for in internship applications?
Then you follow up with evaluate this cover letter against those 5 criteria, and finally, rewrite the cover letter improving the weaknesses you found. It's like the AI is simulating an actual evaluation process.
Yeah, it's way more targeted than just asking for a rewrite. And role prompting works in lots of other areas too, like academic work, business pitches, workshop design, even decision making.
I love that last one. Act as future me 1 year from now. What might I regret? It introduces a kind of tension that really sharpens thinking.
But a quick warning, don't go overboard. Saying act as the world's greatest Nobel winning genius just adds noise. It's better to keep roles realistic and specific.
Definitely. The power here is that AI doesn't have its own identity, but it can simulate perspectives. Choosing the right perspective means you control the frame, and that frame shapes the quality of thinking.
To wrap up, here's a simple exercise for listeners. Take any document you've written and ask AI, act as a critical reviewer. What are 3 weaknesses? Then, act as a supportive mentor. What are 3 strengths?
You'll notice how the feedback changes completely just by shifting the role. It's not about getting answers, it's about creating better thinking conditions.
Exactly. So, role prompting is a straightforward way to get more from AI without making things complicated.
And next time, we'll explore another practical AI concept that helps deepen your thinking without adding complexity.
Until then, think deliberately, accomplish with AI,